First, to download Python, I'll go to my web browser. So mine is Chrome. You can use Firefox or any other browser. So go to the search bar and type Python download. Now the first link is from python.org. Click on that. So this page will show up. See, this is the latest version of Python 3.7.3 for Windows. It's also available for Linux, Mac and others. And if you are interested to download any other previous version, just scroll down and you'll find all the previous versions from beginning of Python. These are the download links and these are the release dates and the release notes. But I am interested to download the latest version, so I'll click on this. So the download has started. We'll have to wait for a little time. So basically Python idle is used to write all the code, and when we run it, the code is executed and the output is shown on the console. So I'll teach you how to do all that. I'll just wait for this to download. I am using this application to record. This is OBS and it's free to download any screen recording, or you can add whatever features you require. Just Google and it's a freeware, so it's very easy to use. Okay, so our download is complete. So I'll just tick this because I want the Python to add to the path, and I'll click on install now. Give access, and the installation initialization has started. The libraries and all the executables are being downloaded while the setup is being done. Just wait for one more moment and we'll be done in a second. So in this website you can check all the updates and what all platforms available for Python to be downloaded. Our Python download is complete and the setup is done. So I'll just search idle. So you can see idle Python 3.7. So this window comes up. Select file, create a new file. First save it. I will save it in desktop as python 1.py. So .py is used to save all the Python files. I'll print a very simple program. I just want to display hello world, so I'll use print and in double quotes I'll write hello world, bracket close. So basically hash is a comment line. You can write anything but that line won't be executed, and print statement is used to show any output on the console. So I'll run it as I have saved it already. It's saved. Now on the console shell you can see hello world, and I had written hello world over here, and now we can see it on the shell. That's it. I hope you liked my video, and if you liked it then like, share and subscribe, and wait for more videos. I'll upload many more to go. Thank you so much for watching.